Hello, we are from Group H9H. The member of the group, Abel Auralia Talita, absent 1, Freda Angelina Putri, absent 12, Natalia Cindy Claudia, absent 27.
First week activity 1. Many people are encouraged to stay home. Keeping a distance between each other and avoiding crowds is also encouraged. Wear a mask that is safe according to health protocols.
Konco-konco yang belum pakai masker, monggo dipakai. Rahasia hari ini dimulai.
Bad activity. A man who was punished for not wearing a mask. Good activity. Applied to the public to use mask.
Second week activity 1. The problem we will discuss in is the importance of maintaining health during a pandemic, because many people still ignore the importance of washing their hands.
So, what we will discuss is how to make simple liquid soap. Our plan to solve this problem is to show people how to make simple liquid soap.
This activity aims to make people aware of the importance of always washing their hands.
You will need the following ingredients. 1. Bar soap. 2. Water. 3. Glycerin.
Here are the tools needed: 1. Grater, 2. Pan, 3. Bowl, 4. Spoon.
How to make it? Here are the ways of making it. 1. Choose the bar soap you want to use. You can use any brand of soap as you wish.
2. Grate the soap with a fine grater to grate all the soap bars into a bowl. This is to make the soap melt faster later.
3. Bring a cup of water to a boil which will later be mixed with grated soap. Mix the grated soap with boiling water. Stir the water and soap until it has a thick pastel-like texture. You can also use a microwave.
4. Add glycerin to the mixture. Mix 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Stir until thoroughly combined. Glycerin acts as a moisturizer for the skin and makes soap softer to use on the body.
5. You can add any desired ingredients in the process. For example, you want to add fragrance and add natural ingredients that are good for skin health.
6. Stir until the consistency of the liquid soap feels just right. You can stir again after adding the various ingredients you want. Gradually add water to the mixture, stirring frequently until your soap has the ideal consistency.
7. When it's cold, pour the soap into the container. The simple liquid soap that you make is ready for use every day.
The effect we hope for is that people wash their hands more frequently. With homemade soap, people will avoid the dangers of various viruses and comply with health protocols.
How to wash your hands properly? Watch the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.